Welcome to the flip bottle game challenge. You are to flip the bottle and it must stand on the bottom side, or else you will be eliminated from the game.
Sir, what do you mean by eliminated?
Let the game begin.
Number 3, flip the bottle. Number 3 has been eliminated.
Blood of Jesus.
Bruh.
The next day.
Bruh.
Oga, don't catch the idiot.
Bring that bastard here. He thinks he can escape.
That's what I do for you. Hey!
See the idiot, they fear to die.
Number 1, step forward. Number 1, flip the bottle.
Sir, we have a winner.
Congratulations, you're the winner of the flip bottle game. Come and collect your prize.
Idiot. Thank you so much for this opportunity. I want to thank my parents, most especially my mother and my father.